welcome back to online teaching. So today I am going to start subject science, and I have decided to teach you physics. From the physics chapter we are going to study today topic light. Light, reflection and refraction. So in the beginning we are going to study about light. What is light? You can see here, you can look on the board here. See, light is a form of energy which enables us to see things. So you can pause your video while watching and you can note down this point, what is light. Already you know in your lower class what is light. Many definitions are there. Out of that you can write this, that what is light. Light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see things. Means anything you can see in your life, anywhere, it is only because of light. If there is no light, you cannot see anything. So light, whatever you are using in your real life, in your home or outside, in your school, so that is a form of energy. So just simply you can note down in your notebook, write down on the top of your notebook, light, which is form of energy which enables us to see things. Now light is also having two types. Now light means many objects are there in your life, around you, around the world. So there are two types of object which scientist has given. That one type is luminous object. The one type is luminous object and other type is non-luminous object. So you can note down again, luminous object, the object which emits its own light. The object which emits its own light is called luminous object. Example is stars, electric bulbs. And second type is non-luminous object. The object which do not emits its own light is called non-luminous object. Example, earth, books and planets. Now I will explain you in detail. The luminous object means any object which emits its own light, having their own energy to produce light. You can see the sun or you can see stars in the sky. They have their own light. They don't need any extra light for visible, right? So the stars and electric bulb, you may have electric bulb in your home, right? So when you will switch on the light, electric bulb will start giving the light. That is a form of energy. So to see the light, you don't need any extra energy light. And non-luminous object means any object which do not emit its own light. Example, you have earth. Earth itself do not have light, right? They cannot produce light. It cannot produce light. Then books, you are having plants, trees, buildings, your home, right? Walls, many things are there which do not emit light. That is called non-luminous object. Now I will explain it with a small example. Just switch off light. Now you can see here that I am using mobile here. Right, now it is total dark. This is a torch. Can you see over here? So this is the object which emits light, right? Yes, on it. Now you can understand that there are some object which emits its own light. If I will take an example of this pen do not emit light, right? Or I can take an example of your own textbook. This textbook is non-luminous object. This textbook is non-luminous object. Why? Because this object do not emit light, right? So it's very simple to understand what is luminous object and what is non-luminous object. Now third part is ray of light. Ray of light. Light travels in straight line, right? Light travels in a straight line. This statement is very important to understand this chapter, that light travels always in straight line. The path traveled by light is represented by a straight line, and one such line is known as ray of light. That one light, right? So one such line is known as ray of light, right? When any object emits light, in that there are many rays. There are many rays. That one rays from that light is called the ray of light. It's called ray of light. Right? One more time you can see here. The ray of light. Light travels in a straight line. Right? Light travels in a straight line. Suppose this is the object. This is the object. It emits light. So when it emits light, there are many rays. Many rays are there. So this one line is called the ray of light. It's called the ray of light. So light travels in a straight line. The path traveled by light, represented by a straight line, is called the ray of light. Hope you all have understood here. So the chapter is light. It is just an introduction of light. I will give you more explanation about reflection and refraction in next video. So my dear student, today we have studied about what is light, what is luminous object, what is non-luminous object, and what is ray of light. And still, if you have any doubt, you can send me your question in my personal WhatsApp. Thank you very much.